to work? Woman or be man? Now man beat you like this.
Now, wow, there is this woman from Nigeria. She cried. People, good Samaritan. You know, now in Africa, all Africa, now so phone we can't they carry anything when we they see now as our evidence. We go carry phone to take people see what this person they pass through. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. There is this housekeeper, Nigeria, from Nigeria. This one happened from Nigeria. This housekeeper, your guy beat her like you can't even beat your child. You can't even beat small pikin the way when this man beat her. Why the man beat her now? The reason why the man beat her is because the man say, they say, I be the lady say, because now the lady side, now me here, say because she break the man frame. She break the man frame. That is why the man beat her like that. She break the man frame. That is why the man beat her like that. For me, the reason why I want to shake my mouth for inside this matter, echo meme, housekeeper, now their job, now their work. If you are rich, you reach for your pockets. The housekeeper, without them, your house will not look clean. Why abusing people? Why? Why abusing people? Just because of say you get them for money. Me, I use my broken. Just because of say you get money. You can't use your money to oppress person, mama. This lady, now mother. I go leave the video for now and watch. This particular lady, so now mother. He bite her. He break his head. He say kick. He alutu. Now I don't know what it be alutu. This will not be laughing matter. You know why I believe the lady? If now some lady that go say if they make attempt to them, they ask the lady say, "He they make attempt to you?" She say no. You see, if now some people now for may they put that man for problem where the more they go say now because I not agree may do vaga them. Now I make the man they assault them. My people. Person now has help. It means say not get life. Now her job. Has help for Europe. That you must learn her. Yes. How to clean. You go for formation. That is what they call them for English. Or I don't forget what they call them for English. Has help for Europe. Has help me cleaning. Not that they call herself for Nigeria. You go clean. They go help you to clean. They go help you to do. Help you to clean your kitchen. Anything. You know, they help you to iron. That be has help now. You come and say the person not get life just because of say she they work under you. Now her own company. People they open that company for Europe. People they open now to take and they survive. They clean people out. Some people that daughter they don't get time to take clean their house. They will hire somebody. Okay, the daughter will come house now because they oppress the lady just because of say he go for it. My main reason also make our Africa, mostly my Nigeria, my country. May una they look into those small things. Those people call themselves rich madam, rich oga for Nigeria. They too they oppress people children. They too they oppress people children. Now they go wrong the people children. Now the children of course they make them wrong go meet police. Police go join them. They go bribe them. Yes, may una go wait till I talk. Now go abuse the house help. Now still carry police. They will call okay, police, we call for your rescue us. Police, they'll come give police money. Police will come join them. Please, we get government too. We get government for that country. We get government. If you know say you don't want to work, you don't want to serve the country, leave. We get government. How can a man just beat someone mother like this just because of saying she dey help? If he break your frame, I get a lot of comments. I would like to read. Now, so that sisters have been read. I get a lot of comments, but so many people drop their own opinion. See what yes, let me talk. He said, please, we need to see the face of this wicked man. Yes. Not be me talk and the writer. I will draw down my statement. YouTube show us his picture for the world to see I don't want to pronounce some of foolish man who can not control his temper. I wait till that person talk. Another one say this is more than portrait matter. If you know, you know. Now wait till they talk. Now wait till they talk. Frame. The lady break your frame. For you now just to beat her. Just to pan and beat her like say tomorrow not day. Where maybe the man they on something, or maybe the man is koi not the work. I believe so. Yes, waiting this our comment and talk. They say they for love to see that man fixed. They for love to see that man picture. Now waiting this our brother or our sister talk. The other one say there is more of this. Now waiting that one talk. That one say there is more of this. Okay, my people, the thing it wake me. Oh, this one say, ha, this is not good at all. The worst to do is to that is deduct it from her pay, not subject her to physical abuse. This one say, he say wetin the man for do, if for not beat am, wetin for just do am, he go reduce am from his salary. Omo, this one still shock. We can make mistake. We are both to make mistake and to correct our mistake. What of now the oga come break her frame by herself, by himself, whether na her want to not turn out to her. Whether now oga come break the frame by himself, he go buy himself, or he go hang himself. No, he will not do it like that. Just because of nobody, he break a frame. If you say as he, I will leave the video, me una watch am. If you say as he bite am, he break her hair. I hope not see for thumbnail, because now that one will take do my thumbnail. If na Europe, they go reduce that from number 1 to 0. Yes, he deserve am. They go reduce that. For you to raise that in hand, person na your housekeeper, you know me say she not get life. I beg, let respect anybody, all the workers. Respect workers. As far she or he is working under you, try and respect. If you know you can't respect them, or you can't tolerate any helper, any housekeeper, please don't allow anybody to come your house. Do your job. Do your job by yourself. Not bringing people's mother, people's children, then you start assaulting them. It's very bad. I pray justice for this our sister. No be my no be my no be my country people. But nothing God cannot do does not exist. You will think you have money to oppress others. If God wants to reduce you to number 0, God can do it. Yes. Do you believe that? Do you believe that? I just I break this news come out for now. A housekeeper, when her boss abuse, beat am, bite am, you know, but wait I tell like the woman no one lie. When they ask her, say, he abuse you, he makes sexual, he say, no. Only that one. God will send your helper to you, madam. No worry, nothing God not fit you, not the exist. So she'll say you are a real genuine person and you are a real gentle human being, but you just find yourself in the wrong box. I don't know why things are like this. The good people don't really meet the good box, the good madam. When the bad one, they meet, because I see one comment when one person says some of those housekeepers, they really need thorough beating. This kind of beating, maybe she have seen a lot, she have passed through a lot. You know, we are human. That is true. My people, I will leave you now with this good news. Please drop your comment in the comment section. What do you think? Is it good to beat your housekeeper just because of say he breaks something for your house? Is it good to beat her, or that is to deduct her from her money, or to forgive her? What do you think in these 3 things? Let me know in the comment section. Watch the video, then drop your opinion. I will see you now in my next video. This is the end. I will see you now after you watch that video. That is the end. I will see you now in my next video.
Hey, madam. People in the follow work. Woman a be man. Now man beat you like this. He say you fall in frame. For just frame. Now you break your head like this. Jesus Christ. Government need to see this. Married woman for that matter. He bite. He waiting. He bite your hand. He match you for where? Jesus Christ. See period by force. Please, the appropriate authorities need to see this. We just witnessed new case. A woman was beaten by her boss because of she broke his frame or what. So now wow, this matter terrible. See, now enjoy you like this. So the first where you slap, bust your head. Which other thing do to you again?
They use the knee, they help me.
You use it. Your private, imagine your private part, Jesus Christ of. This is terrible. Government, you need to see this, please, please.